Good morning, class. So today I'm going to be reading two different passages for you from the book Sleeping Beauty. And I want you all to pay careful attention because we are going to be using these passages the rest of class today. So first, even before you start reading the book, you're going to come across the line that reads, "This is the story of Sleeping Beauty and how a brave prince rescued her from an evil curse." And then when you move towards the end of the book, you're going to find out just how this prince rescued Sleeping Beauty. You're going to find the lines that read, "When he reached her bedside, he gazed lovingly at the sleeping princess. It was the same beautiful girl he had met in the forest. Gently he laid a soft kiss upon her lips, her eyes fluttered open, and she smiled." So today we're going to be talking about two new vocabulary words. The first vocabulary word is incompetence. As you can see, it means not being able to do something without the help of another person. So this brings us right back to Sleeping Beauty. As we can see, the first passage that I read to you all, we're aware that Sleeping Beauty is going to be rescued. She is portrayed or seen as incompetent. And then our other word here is authority. It means power or taking charge. So again, going right back to Sleeping Beauty. So we know that Sleeping Beauty is portrayed or seen as incompetent. And we also know that the prince comes in to save her. He is our authority figure. Okay, so let's think of our vocabulary word incompetence. And for 25 seconds, I want you to discuss with the person next to you this question I have on here. How is the character Sleeping Beauty portrayed as being incompetent? So go ahead, turn to the partner next to you and take 25 seconds and discuss that question. Yeah, but it's the princess.
And she just had a stick her finger in there.
Huh?
She doesn't frozen prove that wrong.
It's true love. So because
Needs a true love to like be
like every other Disney thing, true love.
Okay, and Brett's group over here, what did you talk about for this question?
Well, she's under.
Well, two things. One is like why she's sleeping was something pretty dainty, like I think she's gripped by something.
Yep.
So she does. It's pretty spinning wheel. So she's like vulnerable or weak or something, you know. We also mentioned that she needs a man to awaken her.
Right, great. And you brought up a great point, the passage that I first read to you. Before we even start reading the book, we're aware that she needs to be rescued by a prince. Okay, so next, we talked about incompetence. Now let's look at authority. So we know the prince is seen as the authority figure in Sleeping Beauty. So again, I want you to take another 25-30 seconds and answer this question with the person next to you. Do you think the prince being the authority figure is a good or a bad thing, and why? So go ahead and take about 25 seconds and discuss with the person next to you.
I mean, princes are always.
Purple, purple.
Right.